If a basic outfit only feels finished after you add 5 accessories, the accessories are not fixing it. They are competing with it. Here is a simple way to accessorize a basic outfit without overdoing it. First, frame the face. Look at the neckline before choosing jewelry. An open neckline can take a necklace. A high or detailed neckline usually works better with earrings. With a crew neck, either keep the necklace clearly above the collar or let it fall well below it. An awkward edge-to-edge length can look crowded. If both pieces are bold, choose one. The goal is breathing room, not empty space. Second, choose one hero accessory. It can be a bag, a belt, earrings, or a strong shoe. Let that item lead, and keep everything else quieter. On a neutral outfit, color makes an easy hero. On a colorful outfit, shape or texture may work better. If your eye notices 3 accessories at the same time, the outfit has no clear hierarchy. Third, repeat one cue once. Echo the metal of your earrings in a belt buckle, or repeat a bag color in a small detail. The repeat can be subtle, warm gold with warm gold, or burgundy with a softer red. Do not match every item exactly. Repetition makes an outfit feel intentional, perfect matching can make it feel assembled. Fourth, balance scale. A chunky necklace needs smaller earrings. A bright bag works best when the belt and jewelry stay simple. Also notice distance. 2 bold pieces near your face compete more than the same pieces spaced across the outfit. Think big plus quiet, not big plus big plus big. Fifth, do the remove one test. Look away, then look back. What do you notice first? If the answer is 2 or 3 things fighting for attention, remove one and check again. This is editing, not minimalism. You can still wear several quiet pieces. Then walk, sit, and reach for something. If an accessory snags, makes noise, or needs constant adjusting, it is not helping the outfit. Before you leave, ask 3 questions. Is there one clear leader? Is one smaller detail quietly supporting it? And can I move without adjusting anything? 3 yes usually mean the outfit is finished. If you want a playful second opinion on the overall vibe before you go, SecretVibe can help. The link is in the description. Which accessory is hardest for you to style? Jewelry, bags, belts, or shoes?